Good afternoon, the Ponders Vlog. Welcome to my channel. Snow day today, guys. This is our second snowstorm of 2022. So let me show you how bad it is. This is our front door. Look at that. Look how big, thick is snow. It's like, all right, I can't find. I can't find my stairs. Oh my God. Oof. So let me see if I can find my stairs without falling. Oh my goodness, I see it. Crap. I'm digging on my stairs. Oh Lord. Whew. I missed the other step. Oh my God. Yeah. I can't find my stairs. Oh, look at my boots. My boots pretty high, but it's okay. Here's my side going to my car. I cannot. Oh Lord. Whew. Look at. Oh Jesus. Okay, this is really bad. Supposed to be. The road is not so bad right now. But let me see if I can get out on the road. I'm parked on the side of the street, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. Alright, let me turn on my car and then start cleaning. So what I do first thing is put this heat up all the way up and turn the, yes, let's see. Okay, let me get my brush. Oh, I think the snow turned to ice, so I'm gonna yeah, see that? Turned to ice. So this is like scraping your freezer. Lord, imagine if you're in a tropical country like Philippines. Look at the ice. Yeah, right here. See that? That's ice. Oh my God, this is a mountain. Look at this. Look at. I don't know how I get. Oh my God. Okay. I can't see my bike, the back window in my car. Yeah. Yes, this is our life over here. Look at my boots. My boots pretty high. Look out. The snow is right here. Right on my knee. Yep. think I'm not gonna be able to clean the other side of my car because look at the snow over here. My tire is right here on the other side. This is like on the side of the road or on the street, and let's see if I can get through. At least if I clean my side window here, I'll be able to see. But look, this is ice. I gotta strip this ice because I can't drive if you can't see my window. So let me check my wiper because I think my wiper is full of ice. Ice, but I can't wait. I gotta go. Ow, ow, oof. Oh, look at my hand. Look at my tire, guys, right there. Let me see if I can get out right there. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I can get out. Make sure. Oop, 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 oop. Woo! Yeah. This is the only advantage if you have a all-wheel drive car, because all the wheels turn, so you don't get stuck on the road if the snow is thick. But the last time I was stuck, it was because the road wasn't plowed. The snow was probably like a foot high. Kaya I couldn't get up the tiny little hill. But yeah, so I'm just driving really slow. I'm only driving like 20 miles per hour. So this is our second snowstorm of year 2022. Last year it wasn't bad actually, only this year I wasn't expecting this, but a lot of people were saying that it's gonna be a bad winter. But yeah, I guess we have to expect the worst. But good thing is, my wiper still have ice on it, so it's not even cleaning my window. Crap. So I'm driving to a different town now, but look at the difference. The road is pretty clear. They clean this street pretty good. And if you're in the city, I don't know, I guess because the city is pretty big to cover for the plow trucks and, you know, whoever the putting salt on the ground, so it's not gonna be easy to clean the road when we have snowstorm. Okay. So as you can see right here, the last time, first snowstorm, I was stuck right on this turn, right about here. It's pretty clear now because of it's already like noontime. The last time I drove that part it was early morning, around 7 in the morning, so it wasn't nice. All right, let me see where I can park. Okay, so I made it to work. Look at this snow, guys. There's a mountain right there. They're all over the, see that? There are mountain of snow all over the parking lot, but at least the ground is pretty clear, which is not bad. So it doesn't seem like the store is pretty busy. So hopefully it's gonna be an easy day today. Thank you guys for watching. And I know some people love to see the snow, but like I said, the snow is only nice at first. When the temperature is really cold, you're not gonna like it anymore. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.